What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many, many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about Asian manipulation and how to enter trades after the manipulation. So let's get started. So in TradingView, you can try to put an indicator for the Asian session. Like this one, I'm using this one. You can try this Asian session high, low, mid lines. So with this indicator, you can see what range is covered during Asian session. So what is Asian session known for? So it is known for the consolidation and building up liquidity. It's usually it is having like these moves, or the liquidity resides above the Asian high and below the Asian high. So it's either when the London takes over, or the London session it takes over or started, the market shifts above the Asian high and swept all the liquidity above it, or the price will go down to sweep all the liquidity below the Asian low. So as you can see here, this is the coverage of Asian session. This indicator is the London Open. So it's as you can see here, the price don't have any momentum or any direction at all. So it is like ranging market, like this one. So if we try to so we are in the 15 minutes. So if we are try to to replay it in the London session. As you can see, price did this swept below the liquidity. So it's either it will go down and then have a big push to the upside, or it will sweep all the liquidity above and have a big move to the downside. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see here, price is making a bearish momentum. So it creates somehow supply within this breaks. So in our previous video, we talked about the premium and the discounted. So it will be better if you have confirmations like premium or discount areas. For the sell, it should be a premium level, or for the buys, it should be on the discounted level. So price comes back on this supply zone, but it failed because when the London session started, it is broke this supply here and have this move to the upside. So as I've said earlier, it is expected that the manipulation or the move will be go to the Asian low and to the Asian high. So this one is a perfect example for it. So as you can see, market has grabbed all the liquidity above this Asian high, and then having this bearish move here. So let's see. So if you want to enter on this trade, you want to look for a move that will break this low here. So because we are on the bullish move right here, right? But as you can see, as we've talked about on our previous videos, that we could use the imbalance areas to, so this is an imbalance and this one. So we can use these areas to put our take profits. So let's see if this will, so it has this big push to the downside again. Okay, this one. So it creates this supply area here. So you can put a sell limit here or within this area and put your stop loss above this candle. So sometimes since this is a possible demand area, it's not confirmed yet, but you can take some partials here or target your next profit on this area, because the price has left a lot of imbalance on this one. So you can take partials before the price will enter on this demand zone, or take your profit on this area, because when you try to expand this one, it is also a demand zone that was created after, or that caused this break to the upside. So let's see if the price did come back on the demand zone, but as you can see here, it has failed because the order block has have been broken. So let's see if it will go back on our entry level. So price came back on this area. So as you can see here, the price is consolidating. Price is having this liquidity build up during or after the New York session. So it will definitely be grabbed by the market. So as you can see here, we entering again in the Asian session. So as you can notice here, there's no momentum on this area. Okay. So when the London session opens, try to look at this area as it was already grabbed, and it goes back on this supply area where a break of structure to the downside happened. So okay, so you can place another sell here as you can confirm that this is in a bearish market. So when the New York session opens, the price have this big push to the downside and almost filled the imbalance here. So it has break this structure and almost having this imbalance filled up. Let's try to check if it will be. So the price is having this bullish momentum again. So but we're still on the trade. Right. So as I said earlier, you can take partials here for the trade management. You can take partials here within this demand zone and trail your stop, or take some partials here and let your trade run and wait if it will reach your target or final target. So as you can see, another Asian session again. So as you notice, there's the price that have printed in Asian session is not that bearish or bullish. There's no direction at all. So during the London session, again it broke this Asian low here. Right, and made this bearish structure. So we can place another we can make this like our another supply and enter on this area, right? And stop loss here, because as you can see, there's a liquidity above this Asian high. So maybe the price could, during the New York session, it could grab this liquidity above. So this is take profit here. We're still on the trade, and as you can see, the price is probably reaching this demand zone. Okay, it's in Asian session again. So as you notice, it's always been like consolidating on the Asian session, and when the London session opened, it manipulates, it's either on the Asian low or the Asian high. But this one, it made this Asian low grab first and then go back on this area and have this big push to the downside. So you can enter again, but the risk is too high because it's not on the premium zone. So okay. So as you can see, it reaches this area here and it actually failed this area and price continued to the downside. So you can try this on your charts. As we always say, you can always backtest this one and try to build your confidence when you have this strategy that you can use on your personal trades. So that's all for me. Thank you.